Today we're at 3890 Weatherstone Circle. This is in Pensacola on the west side off Gulf Beach Highway in the Weatherstone subdivision. Entering the property, you come into the main living area. Nice overhead fan. Going through the living area, on the back of the house you have an office or study that has access to the patio. Show you that. 2 windows, then your door out to the patio. Then we'll turn back and show you back toward the front of the house and the front door. French doors on this room, so you can close it off if you wanted to make it an office. Coming out of this room and going to the left, we'll be in the kitchen. On the back, you do have your breakfast area or your dining area. Large enough for a good sized table. Then turning back, we'll show you the kitchen. A lot of cabinet space. Countertops, you do have an area where you can put some bar stools and have a breakfast bar there. Stainless steel appliances. Going through the kitchen, we'll show you the laundry room. Right here, your washer dryer hookups are there, and then you have your entry into the garage, double car garage. Coming out of the laundry room, we'll go right. You do have a half bathroom here right off the kitchen on the first floor, which is great when you have company over or for kids. There's your vanity and then your commode here in the corner. And coming out of this half bathroom, we'll go right and we'll be back into the main living area. So as you can see, we've made a full circle around the bottom floor. So now we're going to head upstairs and show you the bedrooms. This is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. So we will go upstairs. Upstairs does have all the bedrooms, so 4 bedrooms up here and 2 full bathrooms. We'll take a right, and here's your first of 4 bedrooms. You have your closet in the corner. Coming out of this bedroom, we'll take a right and show you the second bedroom. Again, your closet here in the corner. Heading out of this bedroom and down a short corridor. To the left, you have another sitting area, great for game rooms, study area, just a place to hang out. And then you have your full bathroom here. There's your nice vanity, your commode, your tub shower combo. Coming out of this bathroom, we'll head down the hallway. On the left, we have the 3rd bedroom. This bedroom's a little different. It has double doors for the closet there across. Then coming out of this bedroom, we'll go into the master suite, which is on the back of the house. Turn to the right, and you're in the master bathroom. Double vanities there. We'll come across. Nice size tub shower combo. Then you do have your private commode area. We'll turn back. On the left is your laundry closet for towels. And then here's another shot of that nice long double vanity. Your overhead lighting. So coming out of this master bathroom, we'll go into the master bedroom area. Double window. Nice work on the ceiling with the fan. And it is a good sized bedroom. We'll move forward and show you this master closet. which is oversized. You do have two sides to this closet. There's the left side with shelving, and then over on the right. So coming out of this master closet, we'll turn and go back down the hallway of the second floor, head back to the staircase. Again, this is 3890 Weatherstone Circle. It's in the Weatherstone subdivision in Pensacola on the west side off Gulf Beach Highway. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. It's offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588, or you can visit our website at barronspm.com.